Hello, we are with Laia. Is a student here in the John Ramon Bernal Press. She's studying restaurant and kitchen management, and she's going to explain us about his experience in the Erasmus program.
Okay, Laia. The first question is, did you save any money before going to Erasmus?
No, I didn't need it really, because I knew about this money that Erasmus program give to you to spend there if you need, I don't know, food, or it's more or less 1,400 euros, and when you come back you have like 400 more, so I didn't need it. I didn't need to do it. So.
Okay. And what expectations did you have before going to Erasmus?
I expected that I had to work, obviously, but I don't know. I wanted just to learn. I actually didn't learn a lot. I work more than learn, but I didn't expect in another way, just to see a lot of countries, and I don't know, I just learned a lot of different things that I didn't expect it to.
What was your working schedule?
I was working 5 days in a week, and mostly it was from 6 in the morning, 6 in the morning, and I was ending at more or less 1 and I don't know, 12, 1, depending on the day.
Okay. And how difficult is living with strangers in the same room?
Well, it was quite difficult sometimes, but yeah, I really like to learn from different people and from different countries. It was good.
Oh.
What kind of responsibilities did you have?
Well, when I started, in the beginning of the day, I had to start to, turn on the ovens, put the bread inside, the sweets, take all the food that it's prepared from the day before to that day, take it to the buffet. It was a breakfast buffet. So I had to prepare also the hot plates, I don't know, and also the fruits, all these things that are in the buffet, you have to prepare it, and then when the day is over, you have to pick it up again and just fill it to the next day.
Nice. And do you recommend the experience?
Yeah, for sure. It opened my mind a lot, and I can see, I don't know, the world different. I totally recommend that. You are going to make friends forever there, for sure.
Thank you, Laia, for answering our questions. We are very happy to have you be back. And we missed you a lot this time.
Thank you.
Thank you, Laia.
Thank you, Laia.
Thank you, Laia.